Let's do it. One like. You gave us that like. We just started the stream. You don't have to be that generous. Yo, guys. We are starting the stream. Yo, yo, yo. Got the crackers. Got the laptop right here. Got the setup going. AMC, not bad. Not bad. AMC is not bad at all. We're gonna get into it. Don't worry. Oh! Yep. Dry ass crackers. What's good, Adam? What's good, Chris? The homies. Yo, 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 let the chat fill up. Let the chat fill up. Your boy just ate some dry ass crackers. Alright. AMC up 17% on the day. Is absolutely nothing to cry and whine about. What it was, yeah, not bad. 60 to 21. Listen, man, no one's telling you what to do. You feel free to sell. Feel free to sell. Not bad at all. Nope, not bad at all. What the fuck is that? Damn, there's some type of crane behind me. Alright. Earlier in earlier stream, we were looking for a break over 2150. We've actually been looking for that break for quite a while. We got a break over, and you guys can see that it's trying to hug that line, and it's just trying to stay under that. But it's not gonna. It does not want to. There's hold till zero. Yeah, me too. All right. So check this out, right? It doesn't want to. There's absolutely 0 shares available to borrow. This is for AMC. You can see it right here. 105,000 calls expiring in money. This is just the start. This is absolutely just the beginning. And this is the $2150 level that it's trying to hang on to. Damn, my screen looks dusty with another screen pointing at it, but I could barely see that. But you see that it's trying to hold on to that level. It's not going to happen, okay? The amount of gamma that's going to get the ball rolling into tomorrow and into Friday, personally, I don't think there's any stopping this. There's absolutely no stopping this. There's no sellers in control. Absolutely no sellers in control. Shorts have as many shares as they're able to borrow against it out there. Not only that, there's 835 puts in the money. What is that compared to 105,175 calls in the money? And you still have more calls out of the money compared to puts. Nobody's betting that this thing's going down, because chances are it ain't going down. Okay? Yes, sir. Drop some rockets for AMC. Your girl Amy here. And GameStop's doing well too. We're going to check out GameStop. GameStop's kind of having the chop on the day, but it did hit a high of $150.93. We're looking for a break over 160 for GameStop. It didn't quite hit its goal, but it's still up 14% on the day after a 32% day. What more could you ask for GameStop? I'm going to pull up TradingView right here so I can see the exact percentages of, yo, how you doing? Mod in here, the greatest mod of all time. Good afternoon. Well said. You're free to sell. Everybody hopping in. I appreciate you guys jumping in for Power Hour. It is now 3 p.m. Eastern Standard. I don't know what time you're in, but it is now Power Hour starting this second. Right now, I'm taking a look at TradingView, and I want to see the percentage and compare it back into May. So let's do that here in just 1 second. All right, May, you had a 6% day, 14%, 17%. Let's see. All right, back in May before the run-up, you had a 32% 2 days combined, and right now, the past 2 days, you're looking at a gain. Remember, this is for AMC. You're looking at a gain of about 30%. If you're comparing this to the run-up back end of May into June, you're looking at the identical setup. And if this is the case, which I don't think it's going to be the identical setup just because of how fast the ball is rolling, like I said, back in May is a little bit different to now. Okay, you're getting that same percentage gain, but right now, there's absolutely nothing in the way to stop this. There's nothing. There's the gamma is rolling. The gamma is expanding. Everybody has calls on this. Everybody's calls are running in the money. There's no shares available to borrow. There's absolutely no way to suppress the stock other than some manipulation tactic, something that's illegal, or in case you get all retail to lose sentiment on the stock and sell. Other than that, then you should be golden, and we should be flying over the next couple days into next week. I think this is just the rebound. This is just the rebound. You guys, you're going to see real moves, in my opinion, come next week. That entire week is probably going to explode. And if it doesn't, right, chances are, if they let this thing go and it starts slingshotting past 23, what you're looking at is for them to use their last tactic. And that would probably be, which they've done it back to us before, right? That would probably be them teaming up with the media and saying, this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, this was the squeeze. And then it's just going to be a fake squeeze. Cause the retail who don't watch YouTube, don't listen to other retail and only listen to news, cause them to sell off. That's probably their last tactic, right? Whether this runs to, I'm going to say the way it's rolling, I would hope 36 by Friday. And if that's the case, that's what you're going to see happen most likely. You're going to see that fake squeeze come in and you're going to get smacked. Maybe. That's if they somehow accumulate more shares, that's what you're going to see. 106,369 calls now in the money as we speak. It's just rolling up. AMC currently at $21.60, hit a high of $22.35. Yeah, up 18% on the day after a 14% day. There's absolutely nothing to be upset about here. 32% gain in 2 days, exactly what we saw in May. 32% gain in 2 days before the run-up. And that's what you're working with. Now, I'm going to eat a dry-ass cracker on camera as we look at this, okay? Super dry. And you can look at it. I'm not wrong, man. Nothing. God, you have no idea how extremely dry those crackers are. It's like fucking 3 saltines at once, but it's just a cracker. I thought saltines were bad. I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know. I feel pretty hydrated. This is cray. Yeah, this is cray. This is crazy. Yo, Chris, chill. Chill out, Chris. Chill out. Kids start swearing at you guys for not hitting the like button. Yo. Let's go, Jonas says. Let's go. Drop some rockets for your girl, Amy. Did I just freeze? Someone says yeah to somebody else. GameStop fell 3% in short time. Let's check it out. Oh, big red candle on GameStop. That's funny. Let's check out these. Okay. GameStop has 55,000 shares available to borrow against it, with about 28,000 calls expiring in the money. If you want to see that, I'll show you real quick. 55,000 shares available to borrow on the right, 28,000 calls expiring in the money on the left. So you could see a little bit of a smack with GameStop. It looks like if they're really trying to do anything, they're trying to make some sort of it's not really perfect, but some sort of head and shoulders pattern. Remember, they have such little shares to use against stocks now that it's not like controlling it throughout the day. It's more of control it in small spots. So what would be the best spot? A technical breakout to the downside. Earlier in AMC, we talked about it on the stream. It was flagging, and they had about 25,000 shares available to borrow against it. And we called out that they were going to use those shares to, maybe it was 50,000 to 80,000, something like that. They were going to use those shares to cause it to break to the downside instead, to try to get people to sell off technicals. And that's exactly what happened. You saw the shares available to borrow drop to about, I don't remember what the number was, but it dropped significantly. And then you saw the break to the downside out of this flag. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't know, I'm talking about broke down right there. And it was just a fake out. So what's you're going to see happen most likely with GameStop is right here is where they're dumping these shares. So there's 55,000 available to borrow. We're going to check on that number in a couple of minutes. If this thing continues to sell off, you're seeing pure red candles. It's still up 12%. Put it this way. If I'm going to say worst case scenario, honestly, not even worst case scenario. If GameStop dropped back to $123.80 just to bounce off of that, build support and bounce off of that, I wouldn't be mad at all. I would absolutely not be mad. As for AMC, if it came back down to $20.10, or yeah, even 20, between 1990 and 2010, that 20-cent range, if AMC came back down there just to bounce, I wouldn't be mad at all. But the thing is, if you see selling start to happen, just know that shorts wouldn't be able to, like, there's not enough shares. There's no shares available to borrow. So I don't know. I feel like I'm going over the same thing, but I'm just trying to put it through my head and in your head at the same time. Let's check 9K. What? All right. Yo, guys, for everybody hopping in, I appreciate you hopping in. I don't know if YouTube is glitched, but right now we have more likes than people actually in the stream. If you want, okay, actually, let me see. AMC getting a big red candle too. How's the IWM doing? This is what I'm talking about, right? This is exactly what I'm talking about. The market, I think shorts went wrong. Here's where they went wrong, okay? IWM and the SPY we're going to use for the overall market, okay? Because that's what we like to use. That's a good thing to use, okay? You were in this bull run, right? Bull run up. The IWM went from 190 to 208, okay? Up. And just so slightly, you had a false breakout out of the zone. And this is the zone I'm talking about, right? Just so you don't know. You had a false breakout out of that zone, right? And what's happening here is shorts, some smaller firms slowly start slipping away because they want a bear market. Okay, that's how shorts make money. They slowly start slipping away and getting closer to margin calls. And I think they didn't time it right. I really do. I think this whole explosion is wrong on shorts' part. They didn't time it right because the market is now selling off. Okay, the SPY, the IWM had false breakouts out of those zones that they were both in. And what happened was these smaller firms timed it wrong. They started covering. They're getting out. And the firms that are still in it are using the rest of the shares, which there are none now, just to be clear and frank with you for AMC, using the rest of these shares to say, yo, you timed it wrong. We got to fucking hold the price down because we're not going to cover. And what you see happen is the 2 days that 2 days out of nowhere, the IWM and the AMC are inverse. They switch, right? Usually AMC follows it because that's the ETF that tracks AMC. So this is what you see happen, right? That's where they timed it wrong. Because now the IWM, you see it sloping and AMC cranking up. The smaller firms timed it wrong. Better for us, doesn't matter. I'll take it. NY Graph Sign says, did I miss anything? Not really. Not really. We looked at some AMC data, some GameStop data. We're just kind of watching the price action right now. We pretty much just reiterated everything. The $21.50 zone that we've been waiting for it to break. You had a little bit of a break over it, but it's trying to magnet towards it because they really don't want this thing up there in the mid-20s. No shares, 0 shares available to borrow for AMC, 105,000 calls expiring money, gamma rolling, FOMO buying, etc. This, that, and the third. Let's check actually one thing I didn't check on the stream yet. What's AMC volume at? What are you guys trading today? How's your guys trading day going? Make any trades? Let's AMC 153 million in volume on the day. That's beautiful. That's exactly what we want to see. Now let me bring my volume indicator up here, and I want to compare. Let's compare. Okay, so let's see. Yesterday we had 81 million volume. Today we have 153 million, and the day isn't over. Let's check out the run up around the same time frame for June. What you had then was, let's see. Back then you had 53 million into 111 million. So it's somewhere in that zone, 111 million, and then it picked up 206 and then 375. Honestly, if you're looking at this, right, the days would match up as 111 million volume and then 206. And right now we are at, remember, the day's not over. We could reach 200 million volume, definitely. 81 million and then 153. So actually very close, super close. Made money today. That's good. That's good that you made money today. What'd you make money on, though? What did you make money on? Also, we were talking about these shorts timing it wrong. Not only did shorts time it wrong, but retail took advantage. You guys know how you'd see a sell-off, right? You'd see even bad news or good news for earnings, let's say, for AMC or GameStop. Shorts would take advantage of the move, or Head and Shoulders or something like that. Shorts would take advantage of the move and short it in a specific spot. This is what retail is doing. They're taking advantage of the move, and you can tell that by the volume scoop, right? You had volume exhaustion for this 8 to 9 month falling wedge that we've been in. You get the breakout of that falling wedge, exactly like shorts would do. If we broke the downside, they would take advantage and borrow those shares against it. Well, what retail did was take advantage, and now you're seeing FOMO and buying in and buying in and buying and buying in. And what? We're up 32% in the past 2 days? That's what you're seeing. Guys, I don't know how loud it's going to get, but we're seeing like some, yeah. What's this guy saying? I'm good. This construction guy's asking me if I'm good. He's like, I don't know what the fuck they're doing. They're like, holy shit, dude, if you guys could see this. Holy shit. What is this guy? You guys want me to talk to them? Drop in the chat if you want me to talk to them. I shit you not. They are so close. So close. Doing some type of building shit. I don't know what they're doing. Alright. AMC currently at 2104. Trying to hold these levels. If we're going to compare this, tell them to buy AMC. You really want me to? It's going to be like, what are you talking about, dog? Yeah. Oh, man, buy AMC. Yo, not even lying. I saw this car. I saw 2 cars, actually, with the window marker on the back of the windshield. I have no idea who these people are, by the way. And this wasn't today. It was just lately. Guys, let me know if that's loud in the background, because that shit seems loud. They're doing some type of, like, A random construction truck pulled up next to me and they're doing some construction shit. Yeah, market is down, AMC and GM are up. Exactly what we just went over. Exactly. AMC struggling to hold 21. Let's see what's cooling off here. RSI is super oversold. Should see some sort of a move back up pretty soon. Or maybe they, if we're comparing it to yesterday, you're seeing slightly the same move that you saw. And if that's the case, this is what you're going to see. Let me draw it out and then I'll show you guys the screen. I'm going to do it very, very simple. Extremely simple as to something you may see. So let's draw it out here. All right. All right. This is something you might see if we're comparing it to yesterday. Now I know the screen's dirty. Let's give it a little bit of a rub here. Okay. Much better. Not really. All right. If we're comparing it to yesterday, you're kind of getting the same setup. Okay. In the morning, you had that I won't focus. You had that the flag set up and a breakout, and then sideways, and then break up, and then the flag set up into close, kind of hanging flat, and then burst into close. All right, now if we're comparing it to today, you had the flag in the morning, the breakout to the upside, the sideways trading, and then you would see this spike in after hours after hanging around flat. So we will see if it follows the same type of move. Okay. Currently, this is looking weird to me, and I'll tell you why in a second. But let me go on my trading view here. Trading view. Yeah, here's what's weird to me, because in the past, let's see, one, two, yeah, in the past about. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the past hour or so, or less than an hour. In the past half hour, you saw over a 7% drop in AMC, and you're seeing it continue to fall with 0 shares available to borrow against the stock. Okay, with 0 shares. So what's happening? We went over it. It absolutely beats me. Probably some type of scare tactic. See, what could have happened as well, that's also a possibility, is those shares that were available to borrow, they kept rounded up and they actually didn't use them. But they're using them to smack us down right here. So we'll see what happens. But right now it's actually holding. Okay, you want it to hold above $20.45. Okay, right at that level. If it holds above that, you should be in the clear. A little bit of a cool off is not fine. We're still up 14% on the day. Honestly, we're still up 14% on the day. Let's see live chat here. All right. You guys hear that music? Come on, AMC, get a little bit of a pop here. I want to see something. I wanted to hop on live for a nasty power hour. I want to see something. You're waiting for some sort of move here. 270,000 volume in that candle. 2 million the last candle. Let's see. 2.5 million. 2.9. All right. Yeah, they got it. If they don't stop it soon, guys, if the shorts don't stop it soon, you could see the next big run up. And I'm being completely honest with you. And there's a lot of factors that come into play there. Obviously, the more the volume picks up, all right, the higher the price goes, the more the volume picks up. The more people FOMO buying in, the more calls that go in the money, the more of a gamma ramp, etc. You're getting the ball completely rolling. Not only that, there's no shares. There's It's really it. That's really it. There's nothing you can do. It's dry. If I was them, I would sell now. They're probably going to, chances are they're probably going to sell when market closes around the same time as yesterday. Let's see what time they started covering yesterday. It's not going to be exact, but it looks like TCAT. Oh, TCAT? Hold on a minute. TCAT is doing good. That's something we called out in the Discord. Also, guys, the Discord is free. If you want to... What the fuck? Holy shit, can you guys hear that? Oh, well, now you can. Bro, what are these people doing? These people are doing the craziest shit here. I don't know if you want to see this. Give you a little bit of a show there. Wow. Yeah, TCAT up almost 3%. We called that out in the free Discord. If you want to join the free Discord, feel free. The link is under any video. I'm actually going to paste the description that I put under my videos in this live stream, if I can do that really quick from the computer. Let's see if I can do that. I appreciate you guys hopping in here and hanging out in this live stream, especially with all the live streams probably going on right now. It's actually fire that you guys are in here. Seriously, super dope. Let's get this description. Okay. Let's get this description pasted into the live stream that we are in. Yo, guys, AMC and GameStop seriously need your rockets. So if you want to drop them, they need you. Amy and Jimmy are really, they're looking for it. They're looking for some rockets. Edit video. Can I edit this while I'm on stream? Yeah, I can do that. Let's see. Appreciate everybody hitting the like button. We have 22 likes in here. And I just pasted the description under this live stream. So if you don't see it, you may have to reload the stream. But you also don't have to see it. But what you're gonna get in that, oh, IMPP taking off? Let me see. Oh shit, IMPP up 19%. Now IMPP and INDO are extreme watches, because these had some weird data going on with the short interest, the cost to borrow, the shares available, utilization, etc., things like that. These had some weird numbers, and you could tell something was going on behind the scenes. Now, this random pump, right? Completely barcoding for the entire day. Take a look at this, right? What time did this start at? I'm trying to get it down to the minute. 2:46 p.m. Eastern Standard. If you take a look at, I want to really see this. MULN yesterday. Let's see. When did this start? 3:26 p.m. Eastern Standard. I shit you not. This is to the minute. This is to the exact minute. If you look at 3:26 p.m. Eastern Standard yesterday on MULN and compare it to 2:26 p.m. Eastern Standard today on IMPP, you're gonna be amazed, right? This isn't some buying scheme. This is what you call shorts getting absolutely obliterated. This is what you call getting shorts getting obliterated, because they don't got the money anymore. Also for GameStop, the cost to borrow getting insanely high. There was probably no reason for that firm to hold on to it. There's many reasons, but these random pops, you could just tell. You can tell what's going on. Shorts are getting burned, and that's all it is. Adam says, what do you think can happen after hours? After hours for AMC and GameStop? Well, I know anything can happen. Anything can happen. And what would be I'll tell you what shorts don't want. They don't want, especially after hours. After hours would be insane if it brought volume in. They don't want to. They don't want to do that. But what they don't want to happen after hours is to all cover too fast that it causes a halt to the upside, especially in after hours. Any halts to the upside is very dangerous for shorts, because the amount of FOMO you see going on right now is going to be probably 5x the amount of FOMO you're going to see. But all right, back to the question, what can happen after hours? Of course, anything can happen after hours. That's not a question. But ultimately, what I'm looking for to happen, I'm going to tell you right now. Let's see. We based here 20, then 22.35. Let's see. 22. I bet you in after hours. I bet in after hours we can at least get to 24. I'm betting we see 24, a touch on 24 after hours, and I'm gonna be super bullish, Apish, on that because I don't care if I'm wrong. That's what I think can happen. My Clove calls are up. Clove, you got 5% on the day. Oh, they're having a nice run too. Yeah, this is probably another one of those plays highly shorted that you can add. Mod, if you're not in the Discord, you can add this to the watch list for tonight, or just DM it to me so I don't forget. Guys, if you're not in the free Discord, link is in the description. You talk stocks, hang out, there's buy, sell signals, post watch, talk about AMC, GameStop, post gains, losses, etc. What can happen for GameStop after hours, though? I am still awaiting that $160 level. Oh shit, fire truck. Fire truck. Remember, even if AMC dipped, your life could be a lot worse. You could be wherever that fire truck is going. So pray for those people. Make sure you're in a broker that you can trade. Yeah, for after hours, is that what you're saying? Broker you can trade for. Oh, yeah. They can cover in after hours, yeah. Make sure, I don't know what brokers don't allow you to trade after hours. I know Webull does. Pretty sure shitty Robinhood does. I don't think a lot don't allow you to. I think E-Trade doesn't allow you to. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I have E-Trade. I don't think they allow you to. I'm not sure about TradingView. I'm pretty sure you can trade after hours. Public, you should be able to trade after hours. I don't see why not. Yeah, make sure you can trade after hours. I mean, even if you can't trade after hours, I mean, I'm not selling in after hours no matter what it goes to. We'll see what happens. I'm not young. I have to figure out how to use the Discord. What do you mean figure out how to use the Discord? All right. I'll walk you through a very fast. You press description under the video, and you press where it says free Discord. Hit the link. It's going to be blue. You hit the link. It's going to take you to a picture of my server. Probably join server. You press that. It may ask you to sign up with a phone number, log in with a phone number. If you already have Discord in with your phone number, then it's not going to let you. You might have to use email or something else, or just detach it from another Discord account, etc. You're going to be in the server, and then top left there's a DM thing where you can DM me, and that's pretty much the quick breakdown. Honestly, guys, I'm waiting for AMC to do something. It's currently trading at $21 flat, which is beautiful to see. Even if we were scaling up, if we were scaling up 5 to 10% a day, you wouldn't even see this number, but you'd still be happy. So any little dips, I don't want you to be upset about. Let's see here. Don't worry. Oh, you're not getting a free show. You'd have to pay for this. I'm just taking my hoodie off. Calm down. Jeez. Fuck. You weirdos. Alright. See what GameStop is doing. Still hanging flat. Honestly, both hanging really flat. Let's talk about our day today. What did you guys do? What are you guys like morning routine? I want to hear it. If you feel like typing out your morning routine, yeah, let's hear. I want to know a little bit about you guys personally. While you type that, what I do, I wake up, chug a full water, brush my teeth, hop in the shower, hop out, feed my cat, uh, grab my laptop, grab some coffee, open up the stocks, talk on the Discord for a bit, read Twitter, and then just get ready for the stocks throughout the day. And then I hit the gym, and by then it's already past noon, a little bit past noon, and that's pretty much my morning routine. Yeah. So if you guys want to let me know, you can. Feel free. Everyone's just waiting. All right, we got 26 likes on the stream. I really appreciate that for whoever popped in and hit that like button. If you are still, even if you guys aren't in here and you hit the like, I did appreciate it. So I appreciate you guys hopping in, and then, this, that, and the third. Let's see. Yes, triangle sideways, then up, and it repeats. Yeah, someone got the screenshot that I posted. 3:33 right now. Your high school teacher? Oh, that's cool. What subject? What subject do you teach? Let's see. Jeez, what is going on with my eyeball? I know everybody. All right. Are you guys? What do you guys want to hear about AMC? I want to know. At this point, everyone's probably just happy. Honestly, the questions are gone. It's like, we're running. Let's fucking go. That's it. The questions are gone. Let's fucking go. Drop one in the chat. Let's drop one in the chat. Oh, man. So funny how you see it start running and, like, the questions slowly slip away from, like, the old live streams. It's like the old live streams would be like, when squeeze, when rip, why dip. Now it's like, I'm 30%. That's it. Let's fucking go. All right. Let's drop this in here. All right, maybe this will get AMC GameStop moving a bit. Maybe give them some a little bit of volume. All right, we'll see what happens. All right, everybody hopping in. I appreciate you guys hopping in. Let's see what's going on here. Let's update the data real quick. AMC still no shares available to borrow against it. GameStop 25,000. So it looks like they just used about 20 to 25,000 shares against GameStop. That's what you saw during that dip. That's exactly what we were talking about. So it looks like they just used that. And according to, let me calculate this for you. If that's the case, that was just used on this little dip, which was a 5% drop. If that's the case, they have 20,000 shares available to borrow left, and you could see another 5% drop at most, which would bring you down to about somewhere in the $131 zone, 132, somewhere in that zone. And that's probably the bottom before a bounce, just assuming that they want to knock GameStop down again. And that's what we're looking at, right? 131, 132, which is almost the lows of the day. GameStop would literally still be green. Let's see. All right. Let's go, my dude. Let's fucking go. Mike Arnold. Yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm waiting for AMC. It's just sitting here staring at me. Like, what the fuck are you staring at? Get moving, man. Get moving. That's what I'm telling it. Get moving. Wow. I almost just freaked myself out because I typed in GME on one of my accounts that I do some TA on. And I thought I was typing in AMC and it just pulled up and it was like 130 something. I was like, 130? It's about to go crazy. This a glitch? Not another glitch. All right. Brightness. All right. 26 likes on the stream. That's fire. That's fire. I'm actually surprised. That there's even a few people in here for Power Hour because it's completely choppy. Let's see if there's any news on the overall market. Remember, guys, anything you wanna hear about, let me know. This correction on the SPY is not bad. Okay, if this holds the level it's at 445, that's gonna be beautiful. Also, even if it bounces off 441 again and gets pushed, it's a healthy push. So we'll see what happens here. So I can check. Oh yeah. Let's check the news for the SPY. SPY. If anybody has, damn, that's the one thing I forgot to look it up. Okay, not really much on the SPY. I want to see Powell's speech recap because I didn't actually get to read into what happened. One thing I missed today. News. Bro, why is this news so late? Did he say nothing? Did Powell say nothing substantial at all? Did he say nothing important? If that's the case, why is the market? Maybe this is just like a little healthy breather here. Let's take a look at the SPY on the daily. All right, the SPY on the daily got rejected at exactly the level you wanted to break, which was 450. And then after that, you really wanted to break over 456.50. So there's two major levels that you're looking for the SPY to break over. But guess what? The ball that's rolling for AMC and GameStop, no need to correlate it to the market anymore, guys. We're free. No need to connect AMC's downfall with the market because shorts didn't time it right, and now we're getting this explosion that we need. Honestly, I just can't wait to make tonight's video, and the reason for that is because I'm waiting for them to really run in after hours. I'm hoping to see something. All right. The chances of it running in after hours, see, from a 1 to a 10 standpoint, I wouldn't be surprised at like 7 to 8 that it moves in after hours to the upside. And the reason I say that is because any shorts that are in this, well, actually, let's make it more of a 6 that it can run. And the reason I say that is because the SPY, the IWM, right, they're both selling off a bit, okay? Shorts, bears, they're going to be a little bit more in the money, okay, which means a little bit further from margin calls. This is my reasoning to keep it at a 6. So that is that reason that it's at a 6 to 7, and not a 10. But the reasoning for a 6 to 7 for the upside is because any shorts that are still in this are gonna realize this. They're gonna look at AMC and they're gonna say, "Wow, there's no shares available to borrow. That's weird. Well, what general direction is it going? Oh, up 32% in the past 2 days. Oh shit. All right, and then well, it could come down, right? Healthy drop because it's up 32%, right? Well, then they're gonna say, holy shit, over 105,000 calls expiring in the money, and no puts, 800 puts. Oh shit. And then they're gonna say, well, let's get the fuck out before it gets to 30, 40, 50, 60 bucks. So that is why I'm at a 6-7 for after hours. If shorts were smart, but we know they're a little bit I'll let you pick the word. For that. But you get what I'm saying. All right. We calculated it. for GameStop. I don't know how AMC is seeing this another little bit of a bloody move here, but chances are they're gonna try to make it technical break to the downside, break under $20.45. If it doesn't hold that level, that's what's gonna scare people out. It's gonna scare technical traders because it's breaking the high of the morning, right? The high of the morning at around 9:50 9:50 a.m. Eastern Standard. As for GameStop, remember we said another 5% drop be around 132, 131. That's the max it could go to, and that's exactly where it would scare people as well. You take a look at the support at exactly 10:07 a.m. Eastern Standard. That support at 132.16, and they have one move left to scare people off. They have one move left. And right now you're seeing it. Right now you're seeing it because here's what's going to happen. Not only is it 18 minutes away from close, okay? So 18 minutes away from close, you have them knocking it down. What that's going to do is shake people off before end of day, okay? They want profits. They don't want to see their P&L go red or their profits get deteriorated, okay? It's going to scare people off, right? And then not only that, it's going to be a lower spot to cover at when the day closes. Not only that, it's going to bring more calls out of the money before the day closes, etc., things like that. So you have a few reasons. If they knock it down now, you could see a run in after hours. I personally don't think we break under 2045 for AMC. That's the spot that I'm looking at. Okay. Just the fact that AMC held its 10 to 11% gain from last night's after hours is just beautiful enough. Even if it barcoded, that would have been beautiful enough. But instead, it gave us a little bit of extra sauce as well. How do you do that? You just really sauce us up here. 9 people in the stream. Listen, guys, we went over everything we got to go over. Right now, we're hanging out. I appreciate everybody still in here. Let me know if you just... See, this is what I'm talking about. Now there's 100,000 shares calls expiring in money. That's 5,000 less than it was a minute ago. And that's because they just dumped it off right here. Now, if they keep doing that before the end of the day, that's good. That's what they want. That's what they're going to do. There's only 10,000 ETF shares available through the IWM. Let's see if this thing... So those you could get hit with on AMC. But reality, a stock that's trading over 160 million in volume, what is 10,000, 50, 100,000 shares going to do to it? It's really not going to do much. So the fact that you see tight sell-offs is beyond me. Absolutely beyond me. It's not like it's through puts, because who has puts right now? Absolutely fucking 800 people in the money with puts. See if they use those shares on GameStop. Yeah. 25,000 still available to borrow. They didn't smash those shares in yet. See what happens. Oh, GameStop getting a little bit of a pop. This is what I want to see. Come on. Let me see something while we're on the stream. Let me see something while we're on stream here with GameStop. GameStop getting a little bit of a pop here, a little bit spicy. Don't get rejected. Keep fucking moving, man. Keep moving. Oh, shit. Keep moving, dog. All right. GameStop trying to be up. Oh, up 15% on the day. Let's go. 141.50. 141.80. I think everybody's cleared up as to why GameStop and AMC can squeeze at the same rate, right? Whatever you own, brothers, sisters here, we love you both. GameStop, AMC, absolutely love you both. You know what's crazy? It's like, I actually never think about this, but the amount of like holders AMC and GameStop has, it's like, I think of it now, because there's other retail out there, right? There's other retail out there that doesn't buy AMC or GameStop, they don't pay attention to the movement, follow the movement. They're not like with it. There's people out there because we don't have the entire retail population, but I feel like tunnel visioned to like you guys. You guys are the retail investors, right? You're the retail investors. Me, you guys, and our group, the ape community, the group owning AMC and GameStop are the retail investors. That's it. That's the way I see it. I like forget that there's other retail actually in the stock market. It's like that bond that we got. GameStop, I love getting these little price raise notifications. It's like GameStop raised high 3% in a short period of time, and I'm like, oh, GameStop, check it out. Love seeing it. Love to see it. Yeah, I don't know actually. I didn't check the poll, but I literally GameStop or AMC was flying when I was at the gym, and I almost went live in the gym. I'm not even lying. Almost went live in the gym. Let's see what that poll has. Going on. Go live at gym. 86 votes. Only 86 votes. Posted it 2 hours ago. Yeah, 67% said go live. I should have just went live. That would have been hilarious. That was when it was really running. If I was home, for sure would have went live. Again, not getting the pop yet. All right, guys. At this point, right, anything can happen in the last 11, 12 minutes. Oh, my neck is so sore. But the videos. All right. Before anybody even gets off of streams, right? I want you to take this in because you're gonna have so many thumbnails and clickbait videos of people that have absolutely zero information out. I challenge you to do this because you're gonna realize how much time it saves you. Pick your three YouTubers, your 3 finance people, whatever you want to watch. No, it doesn't have to be me. I don't mind, but I will be dropping a video tonight, an update video on AMC and GameStop. Pick your 3 and watch those videos tonight, and don't waste more time on the rest because guess what? You're gonna wake up tomorrow and you're gonna see what happens. That's ultimately what it comes down to. Yeah. And I know you could watch none, but I mean, for myself, I like to keep up with it, and I know you guys probably do too. All the viewers. Let's see here. AMC currently traded 164 million in volume right now. I want to take a look at the chart, 1-year chart. This is giant, guys. This is giant. Absolutely giant. Let's check out the look at the 5-year. Right? Look at the 5-year on AMC. Okay, you have this flat. We're not paying attention to that. But look at it right now. You guys, like, this is actually nuts, right? This is the first squeeze to 20, and then the 70, and then right now. It's actually exactly what you're seeing. You love to see it. It's beautiful. This is the 1-year chart, okay? You see this? A little curl, and then the straight bar. What do you got now? This is beautiful to see. That's clean to see. You're so hyped to see it. At least I am. Well, you just saw my hand. Don't steal my palm readings and find out where. Come on, don't do that. All right. I say the randomest shit. I know. All right. AMC up 15% on the day. Can't believe I'm saying that, dude. Oh, it's such a relief. You guys deserve this. You deserve much more. You've been waiting I don't know when you bought in, but majority of you have been sitting in this 9-month falling wedge like this. Oh, with your glass of milk, right? 9 months you've been waiting for these days to come. You're getting them. You're getting these days. So give yourself a pat on the back. Let's see. How many shares for GME float? How if we own the float? How what? Let me answer that. But how what? if we own the float. I want to know what you're asking here. Hold on. I'll get to it. I don't know if this is old, but 76 million shares outstanding. How can AMC... Hold on, let me see this. What did you say? How can AMC trade so many if we own the float? Is that what you're asking? Because volume isn't just... volume doesn't mean that you trade let the whole flow, if that makes sense. So to put it in perspective, right? If me and you, if I sold this share into the market, you bought it back and forth the same day, let's see, 164 million times, that's volume. That's volume. That's 164 million volume. So that doesn't mean 164 million shares were bought or sold. It just means they were traded. 164 million were traded. That's the volume, if that's what you're understanding. If you don't understand it still, let me know. I'll try to think of something else, another example. But that's where volume comes in. So it's not like it's not a set thing. It's still hanging sideways right now. GameStop got a little bit of a pop, hanging over 15%. Beautiful to see. Hey, can trading get halted during after hours, or can AMC just rip in a few minutes? Yeah, no, it'll get halted after hours as well. It could get halted after hours as well. There's a few different halts. So you can get a volatility halt, which is the most common that I've seen. And then there's, I'm pretty sure, a clearing halt and something else. So the point of halts is, yeah, no problem at all. Remember, I only say what I know or what I can answer. In no way, shape, or form do I know everything. I'm just some dude, right? But there's a different. The more the volume picks up right now with AMC, is the more likely you're going to see a volatility halt. Chances are, if this continues and history repeats itself, history does repeat itself for the most part. If it repeats itself and you're seeing that same thing that happened in May, I bet you we see a volatility halt tomorrow. I guarantee it. I guarantee if we continue this move, so right now for AMC, you had a 14% day and now a 14% day. Okay? Chances are you're getting a 20% to 100%, anywhere in that zone day in the next 2 days after this, if the run continues. You're getting a 20% to 100% gain in the next 2 days if this run continues. And I'm not speaking out of my ass. I'm speaking for history repeating itself. It could be completely off. But that's what I'm saying right there. You're guaranteed to get a few volatility halts going up. I believe we had between like 3 and 9 on the run up in May when it ran 100% in a day. That's what's going to happen. That is what's going to happen. Chances are, midday, I bet midday when most volatility dies down is when the call options load up, people load in, okay? Then or end of day, morning, right? You're gonna get loaded up, and then the gamma's gonna roll. So if we start moving in after hours, you're gonna see more calls be purchased in the morning. And if FOMO is happening, calls running into the money, back and forth to each other. That's really it. You're just seeing the ball continuously go on a roll. Guys, what more could you have asked for? 14% day on top of a 14% day with AMC. A technical breakout out of a 9-month falling wedge. A break over this zone that I've been talking about, 2150. Now, it's not a clean break. It looks like a false break right now, but that's because they don't want it to be a clean break. As soon as this thing gets a clean break over it, confirmation being 22, we're gone. We're gone. We're absolutely gone, okay? That's it. I mean, we tapped 2235 for about 1 minute, if that, okay? But overall, we hung out right under 22. We really hung out there. GameStop, 14% day on a 32% day. Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba. Let's see here. When we close in 3 minutes, so about 2 minutes when we close, we're gonna look at all the data, and I'm gonna get ready for tonight's video. 31 likes on the stream. How beautiful. Beautiful to see it. GameStop 1360. I want to see what these close at. I really do. I'm glad you guys are spending the time with me to see what these close at. See what happens here. AMC is getting a huge sell right now, and that's a little bit weird. Remember I said the $20.45 level? Yo, what's up? How's it going, bro? I'm happy you are hopping in for the last couple of minutes. Yeah, guys, this sell-off. Remember, I said 20.45. We want to hold it. Look at this huge sell-off you're getting. This is so coordinated. The last 2 minutes. Look at this. Check out what's happening here. They're gonna try to break below this technical level. So there's no shares available to borrow. They must have held on to these shares, or this is some sort of manipulation type thing, or short exempts, something like that. Okay, along those lines. I have the cursor just set at $20.45. We got to see if we hold that. Okay. Chances are this is their last move for the day to try to break us below that technical level and get people to take profits coming into after hours so that they can cover at a lower price. We're going to see what happens here. 358. Let's check what GameStop is doing. GameStop getting those red candles as well. Also red candles as well. GameStop would have to drop a hell of a lot further for it to break any sort of significant support. I'll see you in the Discord. No worries, bro. Do your thing. Much love in the beginning. See you, bro. I appreciate you hopping in. AMC currently at $20.65, up 13%. Let's see what they try to do with this thing. Let's see what they try to do. Notice how every time they shoot it down, retail just gulps it up. No. Retail is constant. You see the pressing red bars, and then it's like we're just still eating. Retail ain't full off that ice cream, dog. We ain't full off that ice cream yet. Not yet. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and market is now closed. You love to see it, guys. You love to see it. AMC closes at $20.60. GameStop closes at $139.66. AMC, 168 million in volume on the day, with a 13% gain after a 14% gain day. And GameStop up 15% after a 32% day. Tune in, everybody. I appreciate you guys hopping into the live stream for today's Power Hour. Tune in to tonight's video dropping in about 2 hours from now or less. Probably an hour and a half to 2 hours or less from now. If you're still in here, we're ending the stream. If you hopped in late, we were here for Power Hour. Yeah, crazy volume. Everyone hopping in, I appreciate it. You may click off now and come back for tonight's video. I'm just going to go over the links in the description really quick. So if you want to click off the video or if you want to listen, feel free. In the description, you have a link to become a member. You have a link to the free Discord where we talk stocks, hang out, get buy and sell signals, and there is the best people in there. Okay. You have a link to download an app and deposit 10 cents to get $30 worth guaranteed of free stocks. So if you do that, I get them too as well. So it's very much appreciated. Other links are down there, probably to subscribe to the channel, to my Twitter, and to my Twitch as well, where we stream some Call of Duty. I just started that up. That's pretty much it, guys. Links to videos, etc., etc. So if you want to hit any links in the description, overall, I appreciate you guys joining the stream. This was a fun day. This was a beautiful day, and we will be updating after hours and shorts and the update video tonight coming on the channel. So make sure to subscribe and put those notifications on. And without further ado, if you want to hit the like on your way out of the stream, you may do so.